We've been on the road for 4 years now, and I think it's a story worth telling. Hi, my name is Amber, and I hopped into an RV and now a van with my partner in crime here, Lilly, and we set out on the open road to find adventure and freedom. So today we're celebrating 4 years of RV life full-time on the road. Since I started, I have spent every day traveling around North America and exploring new places and following my dreams. And I tell you what, it is a very rich life. It's beautiful and amazing. I have seen some very cool things around North America, but one of the coolest things is that I've been able to share this life with each and every one of you through my YouTube channel. So if you want to know what it's like to live life without any set plans, have endless adventures, and go out there and create more memories of a lifetime, then come along on the ride with us as we search out more experiences and more stories. In May 2017, I sold my house and everything I owned to set out on the road and fulfill my lifelong dream of traveling full-time. It's been an incredible 4 years traveling all over North America, first in my Class C RV and now in my van that I've lived in for the last 3 years. One of my number one questions is about fear of traveling solo and how do you overcome it? The truth is simple. You just do it. On the other side of fear is your greatest reward, and that's a quote that I absolutely live by. My very first encounter with fear was traveling along some very steep cliffs with no guardrail in Lake Tahoe. I was shaking, I was so scared driving this big Class C, but I pushed forward and I felt so amazing afterwards. I had conquered my fear. The next fears were boondocking on my own. Every little bump in the night made me scared, but again, I just kept doing it to get more and more comfortable with it. And now, I absolutely prefer it. Other fears were driving through steep mountain passes and concerned if my RV could handle it. She served me well though and kept me safe, and again, I overcame. I've been through some crazy storms and even a tornado in Minnesota. That sent me fleeing for shelter at Walmart. When I got stuck in Ohio for just being, well, kind of dumb in my decisions, a neighbor pulled me out with his backhoe after 2 people had stopped to help. I will tell you that I have a renewed faith in humanity after going out on the road. Another time I overcame fear was going through the lost coast of California in my van. There were very, very, very steep switchbacks, and I couldn't even take my foot off the brake or I would crash. My reward? Primitive ocean beaches and stunning views at the bottom of the canyon. I will tell you though, I still get nervous thinking about that drive. While in Alaska, my van alternator caught fire, and it was one of the scariest moments of my life. I was pretty nervous to even drive after that, and every smell or whiff of smoke sent me looking for fire in my van. Eventually, I relaxed a little bit and settled back into my nomadic travels around North America. But one of the things that I have really learned is how much this life has taught me and how I have this strength inside of me that I wasn't even aware of. It has made me realize how absolutely strong I am and what I'm capable of. Every time I'm graced with a sunrise and a sunset, I'm grateful for that day, for this life I live. I've never gotten accustomed to seeing the painted skies that's different with each day. I feel this incredible peace when I sit down and can enjoy the wonders before me. I am absolutely grateful. One of the other questions I get asked frequently is, are you lonely, Amber? And I can say without a shadow of a doubt, I absolutely am not lonely. I've met so many people along my journeys, some random chance encounters, some through my escapers group, and also through you all as subscribers. I've never once felt lonely in this life. In fact, I feel like my social calendar is fuller than it has ever been. You can be as social or as alone as you'd like. It's really your choice on how you want to live your life. I will say though, I feel like one of the luckiest women ever to have these friends and to meet my family along my journeys. It fulfills me on the deepest levels to connect with others, co-create stories with each other, and enjoy this journey with them.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
My one and only partner in crime, Lilly. I love this girl with all my heart, and I am so thrilled that she's on this journey with me. She's an amazing traveler and loves creating these stories with me. I can imagine that she's grateful as well for this life, sniffing all the different flowers, the weeds, the grasses, and trees all over this country. She loves running in the beach sand. She's getting hugs and ear scratches and belly rubs from everyone. She makes me smile every day, and I frequently laugh at her goofiness. She's definitely her mama's girl. We were made for each other. I'm so grateful to have her in my life and share these moments. After 4 years of exploring North America, I can tell you that I see this world as a place of endless possibilities. I keep adding to my list of places to go and pinning it on the map. I feel like I've barely scratched the surface. I've learned that I can be happy anywhere, no matter where I'm at or what's happening around me. This life has given me what I wanted, ultimate freedom to explore and live on my own terms without the pressures of sitting in a cubicle and wasting my life away wishing upon my dreams or waiting for that next vacation. Instead, I actively created this life and jumped in, nervous, scared, fearful, but with so much excitement and determination. I have zero regrets about becoming a nomad. I'm happier than I've ever been in my life. I feel alive. I feel joy. I feel gratitude. I feel supported and nourished in this life. I have everything I need. I don't want for anything. My only goal is to keep traveling, keep exploring, keep creating more stories, and sharing this journey with each of you. Some of you have told me that you watch because it's the only way you can travel right now. I'm honored to be able to fulfill that for you, and it truly makes me smile with joy. Some of you have told me that you find inspiration and motivation through my travel vlogs because you'd like to do this also, living the RV life or the van life at some point. I urge you to fulfill that dream sooner than later. You never know what can happen in your life, and you do not want to be left with regrets for not doing it before you can't. If you are serious about joining the Nomad community and traveling, I've created the Nomad Mentorship Bootcamp that will help you to transition to a nomad quickly and show you exactly how to get there. I was in your shoes at one point with no one to help me, so if you want to be mentored through this process, click the link in the description and the pinned comment to get started. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming along on this journey with me. You are my inspiration as well. hope you enjoyed the show, and if you liked this video, hit that thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell if you like content like this and want to see more of it. Doing those things helps my videos get to more people like you who are interested in this kind of content, so I really appreciate anything you do with that. I do daily videos, so I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.